This video will show you how to take your broadcast to the next level using visual tools like OBS, Streamster, or Splitcam. If you aren't familiar with the basic setup, please check out our previous videos. OBS, or Open Broadcaster Software, is by far the most popular streaming program. It offers a lot of customization for broadcasters and is free to use. Streamster and Splitcam are two other popular streaming programs that offer multi-streaming, letting you easily broadcast on more than one platform at the same time. When it comes to choosing between OBS, Streamster, or Splitcam, we recommend doing your own research to see which option best suits your needs. The setup process is similar for all three. Install the main software, and then install the Lovense Toolset for that program. Let's check out how to set up with the Lovense OBS toolset. Begin by downloading OBS. You can find the download link on the Lovense Cam Downloads page. Now open the downloaded file to install OBS. Next, you can install the Lovense OBS toolset. This will enable the Lovense tip menu and other visual features to automatically show up on your stream. Visit the Camming download section on the Lovense website to download the toolset. Choose which operating system your computer has, either Windows or Mac. Open the downloaded file to install the toolset. Open OBS and click the plus sign under Sources. Add your video capture device, which is your camera, and make sure Lovense video feedback shows up as the top source. With OBS running, set up the cam extension as usual, then go to the Video Feedback tab and click Connect to Lovense OBS Toolset. You can configure the appearance of the Lovense video overlay and see how it shows up inside OBS. Now we will show you how to set up with the Lovense Streamster toolset. To begin, install Streamster. Streamster is currently only available for Windows. You can find the download link on the Lovense Cam Downloads page. Open the downloaded file to install Streamster. Register for a Streamster account and log in, or you may use it to stream on up to 2 sites at once without an account. Install the Lovense Streamster toolset. Visit the Camming Downloads section on the Lovense website to download the toolset. Open the file to install the toolset. Open Streamster. Click Add Layer and choose Lovense. With Streamster running, set up the cam extension as usual, then go to the Video Feedback tab and click Connect to Lovense Streamster Toolset. You can configure the appearance of the Lovense video overlay and see how it shows up in Streamster. For multi-streaming, add your additional cam sites inside the Streamster application. Follow these steps to set up with the Lovense Splitcam toolset. Begin by downloading Splitcam. You can find the download link on the Lovense Cam Downloads page. Open the downloaded file to install Splitcam. Download the Lovense Splitcam toolset. Visit the Camming Downloads section on the Lovense website to download the toolset. Open the file to install the toolset. Open Splitcam. Click the plus sign and add Lovense video feedback into the sources. With Splitcam running, set up the cam extension as usual, then go to the Video Feedback tab and click Connect to Lovense Splitcam toolset. You can configure the appearance of the Lovense video overlay and see how it shows up in Splitcam. For multi-streaming, add your additional cam sites inside the Splitcam application. For all 3 streaming applications that are integrated with the Cam extension, you will see some custom settings on the Video Feedback tab. These are used to adjust the appearance of the Lovense panel. You can adjust the size, position, opacity, choose what is displayed, set up a scrolling message, and more. In case you speak a different language than your fans, you can also choose which language the Lovense panel will display to viewers. Currently, it supports English, Spanish, and Japanese. There is also a tutorial directly on the Video Feedback tab, just in case you'd like to refresh your memory on how to set this up in the future. To access the tutorial, click on Set Up Now and follow the steps. Finally, let's check out some features available when using one of our visual toolsets. Find the Visuals tab in the menu on the left side of the screen. You will see 3 different categories: Themes, Stickers, and Tip Animation. Themes apply to the Lovense panel that show up on your stream when using OBS, Streamster, or Splitcam. You can browse the options in the Themes library or create your own. When you've got the theme you like, hover over it and click Activate. You will notice the Lovense panel on your video feed is now changed to your new theme. To create your own, click My Themes and then click Add. Customize it as you like and click Save. Stickers are a way to add animated GIFs to your stream. You can choose from our library of stickers or upload your own. Or you can create your own custom sticker including options for a countdown, leaderboard, or custom text of your choice. Then you can adjust the position and resize it how you like. Make sure to apply the sticker after you set it up. You can preview the appearance directly on this page or on your video feed. Tip animation is another option to add even more visual appeal to your stream. Here, you can set up different animations to display according to the tip you receive. Click an animation to preview what it looks like, then drag one of the animations and assign it to one of your tip levels. When you're done setting up, click Apply. Lovense is always adding new features, so check back often and explore them all to see what works best for you and your fans. We also welcome your feedback if you have any ideas that you'd like to see added. Happy streaming!